Time to untangle those digital connections. We're showing you how to unlink external accounts from your Chase Bank profile, keeping your financial information secure and giving you control. First, you'll need to access your Chase online account. Open your web browser and go to Chase.com. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Once you are logged in, navigate to Profile and Settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it. On the Profile and Settings page, look for an option labeled Linked Accounts, External Transfers, or something similar. The exact wording may vary. Click on that option. You should now see a list of all the external accounts you have linked to your Chase account. Review this list carefully. Next to each account, you should see an option to unlink or disconnect. Select the Unlink or Disconnect button next to each account you want to remove. A confirmation window will likely pop up asking you to confirm your decision. Carefully read the message and click Confirm. The account should now be removed from the list of linked accounts. Repeat this process for any other external accounts you wish to unlink. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your external accounts from Chase. Remember to regularly review your linked accounts for an added layer of security.